Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you have lost your Facebook password and you want to change it, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily change your Facebook password without old password. So to do that, just open your Facebook app from your phone. Now just tap on this little profile icon here on the top right corner and just tap on this settings, or you can tap on these settings here for settings and privacy. Now just tap on these settings again. It will redirect you on the settings page. Now in this page, just tap on this password and security. Again, just tap on this password and security. Now just tap on this change password. Now everyone knows that if I want to change my password, then I have to write my old password here, right? But we don't have that. So what we should do, just tap on this forgot your password. Now just choose the email here to get the verification code. So just tap on this continue. And you will get a verification code in your email address. Now open your Gmail app and just copy this code here. Now get back to Facebook and just paste that code and just tap on this continue. Now it will give you the option to change your password. Just write your new password here. So after that, if you want to log out your Facebook from all other devices, which device has the access, then you can check mark this. After then, just tap on this next and it will change your password for all other devices. And from now, the new password which you entered this here, it will be the password for your Facebook account. So basically this is how you can change your Facebook password without old password. I hope this video helped you. If did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.